A state-of-the-art rice processing 2 system which substantially speeds up the treatment and processing of unhusked grains from the harvest is expected to vastly increase yield and income of farmers in Guagua, Pampanga, which the president paid a visit to bringing the aforementioned and coveted grain multi-processing system, as our Harley Valbuena reports.
Desiree, a cooperative leader in Pampanga, has over 300 farmer members. She also has 3 children still studying, so she is elated that their rice production and income is expected to rise after the opening of the rice processing system 2 in the province.
Ang dami pong magiging benefits nito kasi malilesen yung cost nila. Tapos mapapadali pa ang trabaho.
Earlier today, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. led the inauguration of Rice Processing System 2 in the town of Guagua. This will be used not just by nearby towns, but of the whole Pampanga. Together with the President was Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr., Pampanga 2nd District Representative and former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, and Pampanga Governor Lilia Pineda. The 53.6 million peso RPS-2 is a multi-stage processing rice mill equipped with state-of-the-art components. From manual and traditional ways, rice processing will now be faster, from grain cleaning up to packing. The rice processing system has a capacity to process 2 to 3 tons of grain per hour. In the polisher machine, rice grain is crystallized to assure quality, and in the color sorter, the staple is filtered to remove dirt such as small rocks and dust.
Ibilad lang nila sa ang palay sa kalye, sa basketball court, umulan, pangit ang quality. Ito, pag-harvest nila kahit umulan, madadry ito.
Moreover, also distributed were 2 recirculating dryers worth 8.12 million pesos and 5 rice combine harvesters amounting to 8.9 million pesos. Because of the modern facility and equipment, higher production but lower cost is seen, which will eventually yield higher income for over 36,000 farmers in Pampanga. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.